Hello, welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In this video, we will discuss the current team standing, November 23, 2024, and the games to be played tomorrow, November 24, 2024. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. Here are the games played today in the NBA. Jared McCain and Tyrese Maxey helped the 76ers rally to beat the Nets 113-98 and is now 5-game losing streak. Jared McCain has 30 points, 5 rebounds, and 3 assists, and Tyrese Maxey has 26 points, 5 rebounds, and 4 steals. Cameron Johnson led the Nets with 37 points, 1 rebounds, and 2 assists, and Cam Thomas added 18 points, 3 rebounds, and 7 assists. The Boston Celtics outlast the Washington Wizards 108-96 for a key NBA Cup victory. Jaylen Brown led Boston with 31 points, 11 rebounds, and 5 assists, and Jason Tatum added 16 points, 9 rebounds, and 8 assists. Jordan Poole had 23 points, 2 rebounds, and 8 assists for the Washington Wizards, and Malcolm Brogdon contributed 18 points and 10 rebounds. Warriors win their NBA Cup group with a 112-108 victory over Pelicans. Andrew Wiggins led the Warriors offense with 30 points, 3 rebounds, and 4 assists, and Stephen Curry has 19 points, 7 rebounds, and 7 assists. Trey Murphy has 24 points, 4 rebounds, and 4 assists for the Pelicans, who lost 4 straight games. The Milwaukee Bucks beat slumping Pacers 129-117 in NBA Cup play. Giannis Antetokounmpo led the Bucks with 37 points, 10 rebounds, and 11 assists, and Damian Lillard added 24 points, 5 rebounds, and 13 assists. Pascal Siakam has 25 points, 8 rebounds, and 1 assist for the Pacers, who just lost 4 straight games. Three Bulls players powered their team to a 136-122 win over the Hawks. Zach LaVine has 26 points, 3 rebounds, and 4 assists. Kobe White added 20 points, 6 rebounds, and 9 assists. And Ayo Dosunmu has 20 points, 3 rebounds, and 8 assists. While for the Hawks, Trae Young has 25 points and 13 assists. And Jalen Johnson has 25 points, 13 rebounds, and 5 assists. Houston Rockets passed the Trail Blazers 116-108. Dillon Brooks has a season-high 28 points, grabbed 6 rebounds, and 1 assist, and Tari Eason added 22 points, 8 rebounds, and 2 assists off the bench. Tomari Camara has 11 points, 3 rebounds, and 3 assists for the Wizards, who just lost 10 games in a row. Dallas Mavericks overcome Jokic's triple-double to beat Nuggets 123-120. Kyrie Irving led the Mavericks with 19 points, 6 rebounds, and 6 assists, and PJ Washington has 22 points, 13 rebounds, and 1 assist. Nikola Jokic has 33 points, 17 rebounds, 10 assists triple-double for the Nuggets, and Michael Porter Jr. added 17 points, 5 rebounds, and 5 assists. Los Angeles Clippers won their fourth straight game as they beat Sacramento Kings 104-88. James Harden led the Clippers with 22 points, 6 rebounds, and 9 assists, and Ivica Zubac contributed 10 points, 15 rebounds, double-double, and 4 assists. De'Aaron Fox has 29 points, 7 rebounds, and 7 assists for the Kings, and Domantas Sabonis added 24 points and 15 rebound double-double. And now, let us have the team standings for the Eastern Conference. The number one team is the Cleveland Cavaliers with 16-1 record. Number two, Boston Celtics, 13-3 record, 4-game winning streak. Number three is the New York Knicks with 9-6 record, 4-game winning streak. Number four, Orlando Magic with 10-7 record. Number five is the Miami Heat with 6-7 record. Milwaukee Bucks is already at the top 6 of the Eastern Conference standing with 7-9 record and on their 3-game winning streak. Chicago moved to number 7 with 7-10 record. Detroit Pistons slide to number 8 with a 7-10 record, 2-game losing streak. Number 9 is the Atlanta Hawks with 7-10 record, 2-game losing streak. And number 10 is the Charlotte Hornets with 6-9 record. Number 11 team is the Indiana Pacers with 6-10 record, 3-game losing skid. Number 12 is the Brooklyn Nets with 6-10 record. Number 13 is the Toronto Raptors with 4-12 record, 2-game winning streak. 14, Philadelphia 76ers 3-12 record. And number 15 is the Washington Wizards 2-10 record, 10-game losing skid. And here's the team standings for the Western Conference. Golden State is at number 1 with 12-3 record, 2-game winning streak. OKC Thunder is at number 2, 12-4 record. Number 3 is the Houston Rockets, 12-5 record, 2-game winning streak. Number 4 is the Los Angeles Lakers, 10-5 record. Los Angeles Clippers is climbed to number 5, 10-7 with 4-game winning streak. Number 6 is the Denver Nuggets with 8-6 record. Phoenix Suns slide to number 7 with 9-7 record. Number 8 is the Dallas Mavericks with 9-4 record, 4-game winning streak. Number 9 is the Memphis Grizzlies with 9-7 record. And number 10, Minnesota Timberwolves with 8-7 record. Number 11 is the San Antonio Spurs with 8-8 record, 2-game winning streak. 12, Sacramento Kings, also 8-8, but they have 2-game losing skid. 13 is the Portland Trail Blazers with 6-10 record, 2-game losing streak. 14, New Orleans Pelicans, 4-13 record, 4-game losing skid. And number 15, Utah Jazz, 3-12 record, 4-game losing skid. Karl Anthony Towns and the New York Knicks will try to extend their 4-game winning streak as they visit John Collins in the Utah Jazz in Delta Center at 6 a.m. Cade Cunningham and the Detroit Pistons will try to end their 2-game losing streak against Orlando Magic, led by Franz Wagner in Kia Center at 8 a.m. Jaren Jackson Jr. and the Memphis Grizzlies will try to build momentum against Chicago Bulls, led by Nikola Vucevic in United Center at 9 a.m. The struggling Portland Trail Blazers, led by Robert Williams III, will play against the number 3 seed Houston Rockets in Toyota Center at 9 a.m. The Golden State Warriors, led by Stephen Curry, will play their second back-to-back game against Chris Paul and the San Antonio Spurs in Frostbank Center at 9:30 a.m. And Michael Porter Jr. and the Denver Nuggets will play Anthony Davis in the Los Angeles Lakers in Crypto.com Arena at 11:30 a.m. Lakers will try to bounce back against heartbreaking loss to Orlando Magic on the other game. If you like the video, consider to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Thank you very much, everyone.